Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I am packing for my holiday. This is a test run, I don't leave yet, but I just want to make sure that I can fit everything in because I'm flying with a very cheap airline who is allowing me to take one cabin bag, and I mean basically a handbag. Even when you upgrade to 2 cabin bags, you can't actually take like what would be carry-on, like the mini suitcase carry-on luggage. They don't even let you take that. Like, it's literally a 40 centimeter bag by 20 by 25. So small. So I'm packing very light. Luckily, I'm going to Malta where it is boiling hot. So I basically just need very lightweight clothing, which obviously takes up less space in my bag. So I'm going to show you how I'm packing my capsule wardrobe for my trip. So without further ado, let's get into it.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
Poor Louis thinks that because I've put my shoes on that we're going for a W. Sorry, Louis, we'll go for one soon, okay? But not yet. I quite like this outfit with my crochet top. I've got to fix my hook and eye on my skirt, which is why I'm holding it closed. But this, and with my Charlie Stone shoes. I can also wear it with my white flip-flops if we're like just going for a drink on the seafront or something and I don't have to hike anywhere. So I think that's definitely a yes for this outfit. The hook and eye has come off of this as well, so I need to do some repairs before I go. But this is also like another beachy outfit. I am taking this hat as well. You can see all the stuff that I'm considering on my bed over here. But this will go... So this will be the whole outfit. The hat with this outfit. So that's good to know that this will work with 2 different bottoms. With these shorts, I can also wear my Zuby Zoo top. I kind of love that this top is like all distressed and looking old and worn out now. It actually looks kind of vintage, and I can wear it with these shoes or with my Charlie Stone shoes if it's somewhere we're going to walk a little bit more, although these aren't like, well, they've just been washed. They're a little bit tight at the moment, so they might be a bit more comfortable later, but obviously I'm not going to go anywhere hiking and dusty in white shorts. But yeah, so that outfit's not too bad. It's not like my favorite, but it's more of like a chill outfit. I've just washed everything, so none of it is ironed. Everything's so wrinkly, but it will get ironed when I get to Malta because I'm going to be shoving it in a carry bag, a tiny one, so it's all going to get wrinkled again. But I want to take my 1950s blouse, which I've just realized is missing a button, so I'm going to be doing a lot of repairing. But yeah, I'll take this, which I can wear like this or like tied up with these shorts and these, and again, my Charlie Stone shoes, which is actually really cute. Also this outfit, which I wore in Byron Bay in Australia. This is a vintage bra, a little like beach shawl kimono-y thing with my white shorts. And again, I could probably wear my Charlie Stone shoes because I'm only going to take 2 shoe options. So if I really needed to and I felt like we were going to walk and I needed to be stable, I can wear those. Poor Louis. My darling, what do you think? You think we should go for a W? I don't know if I'm feeling brave enough for this, like just to wear it as a top without anything else on top, but maybe I do. I might be so hot that I just literally don't care, but I kind of like that. So the green hat, my bra, and then my vintage 1940s skirt. And again, can always put my Charlie Stone shoes on with it. Whole bag just fell on the floor. Awesome. Now I've got on my stripy 1950s shorts, which I can wear with this. I think I definitely feel better with like something covering me. I don't mind that it's got like a bit of a romper feel or like a playset feel, but I don't think I would just feel comfortable just wearing this as a top. It's just not really my thing. But if I did, I wondered if the blues would go together, but I'm not into it. I don't like this kind of greeny blue with these blues. But I could do this combo with the white shorts from over there. So where are they? Where did they go? There they are. So yes, that's another outfit, not with these bottoms, but with the white shorts. I could also do Zuby Zoo with these shorts. It's got a bit of a 70s feel and I don't hate it. Yeah, and I'm not loving it. I'm wondering whether to bring the Zuby Zuby Zoo shirt. I'll definitely bring 2 pairs of shorts. What else can I wear with these shorts? That's what I have to ask myself. Let's see. This is actually a 1950s slip that I've like tucked in and tied up, which I don't mind. And then with my white flip-flops. And again, I think I always want to just check that with every outfit I can wear both shoes, but yeah, that works. Malta is like 30 degrees plus every day. So I want to be practically naked. It's going to be mostly walking around and then going to the beach. So I'm not too worried about wearing skimpy clothing. Like, I just don't care. It's going to be so warm. I feel like when I'm in England, I feel weird about wearing skimpy clothing because everyone's so covered all the time because it's a chilly, cold place. Whereas when you're somewhere hot and everyone's hot and they're all walking around half naked because no one cares because they're boiling, you feel a lot more comfortable. You know what I mean? Okay, so this top is actually technically my pajamas, but I don't see anything wrong with like multi-purposing pajamas. So I don't mind this. I did consider this with the blue shorts, but the problem was that I have the white flip-flops and it just looked weird to have like an all dark outfit and then white shoes. It just didn't look good. Whereas if I have the white shorts on and the white shoes, at least something is tying together, you know what I mean? And I reckon because I've got a black and white outfit on, I can get away with wearing my green hat with it as well because it's just a color with a neutral outfit. So I don't mind this outfit. With this, I can also do this combo. Whoops, falling over. I don't mind that. And again, I can wear my green hat with this. So that's okay. Even maybe it's going to look weird having brown shoes and a black top. I think I can get away with it. At a pinch. I was wondering about maybe culling these shorts. I don't know. I can wear it with this. Have another top I'm thinking of replacing the Zuby Zuby Zoo top with because the Zuby Zuby Zoo one doesn't go with very much. So wait a second. Okay, so this is a Freddy's of Pinewood top that I've had for ages. I don't mind that. That's quite cute, and I think with my Charlie Stone shoes, it should be okay. Yeah, actually, I think that's quite cute. I don't mind that. I won't be wearing this bra underneath, but yeah, that's okay. I can deal with this. I don't mind. I could also do this combo, which is a bit more 50s. The other combination looked more 40s with the other top. So this has got like 50s vibes, and I would wear the white vintage bra underneath. So it looked like the bra went with the skirt and then this was over the top. And then I can wear my slides and I could wear the Charlie Stone shoes as well. I quite like that. And of course I can wear my hat with this. So I think I'm going to replace the Zuby Zuby Zoo top with this one. I think that's the right choice. I can also do this combo, which I think is really cute. And again, I'll wear the white bra underneath. So it looks like I'm wearing like a play suit and then this top over the top with my white slides. And again, the Charlie Stone shoes can go with this outfit as well. I think the pink and the green is kind of cute together as well. So I'd actually even be willing to do that. I have definitely got an accidental pink and green theme going on, but it works well because obviously I can rotate all those things together because they're all the same colorways, but they've got different styles about them. I like this accident. This next outfit is one I wear all the time at home. It's not usually my style, but I find it extremely comfortable and it's very cool. And I'm thinking this for days when we have to go hiking or for long walks. None of the walks are going to be like, you know, rugged. So it's more that I just need to be cool because the hiking is going to be very, very hot. And I also want to be covered as much as I can so that I don't get sunburnt and I don't get heat stroke. So this outfit I'm thinking is going to be good for that, even though it might be a little bit unexpected. So this is a vintage 1970s slip. I've got my little kimono shawl thing on again. I'll wear my Charlie Stone shoes if I'm going to be walking places that I'm comfortable. I don't know that it goes that well, but I can wear my hat if I need to. I won't look amazing, but you know, whatever. Yeah. I was also thinking if I just want to be a little bit more covered up, I could do this little combo and wear this like a skirt with my slides, or with my Charlie Stone shoes. I don't mind that. Again, it would look much better if you couldn't see my underwear through, but yeah, I don't mind that. It's just like a casual, like maybe going to the market or something outfit. This next combination I actually already wore in a video the other day, so you guys probably saw it, but I'll definitely take this because it works. And it's another way of wearing my slip. I've just got the vintage slip on, and then obviously it's tucked under the skirt, and I can wear it with my slides or with the Charlie Stone shoes, and of course my hat. So that's definitely coming. Inspiration just suddenly struck me that maybe I could pair this together, and I actually think I like it better. I like the fact that it's quite long. The other one I thought looks a little bit funny with the short skirt, but I quite like this combo with my slides, like maybe to go out of an evening for a drink or something on the seafront, because obviously I can't go that far in my slides, it won't be comfortable, but I actually quite like that. I think that's quite cute. I tried something else, guys, but it definitely doesn't work. Well, like, I'm not so mad about the shape of the top with the skirt over it anyway, but that's a no. Oh my lord, what a mess. But here is the clothing I'm going to take. This is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. It is my sports gear because I want to be able to go running there, and my track shoes, which definitely won't fit in my bag. So that's why this is what I'm wearing on the plane. I never worry about how I look at the airport because the reality is you want to wear the bulkiest stuff. So yeah, going in my gym gear, 0 F's given. Here is everything I am bringing laid out on the floor. Louis' dog ball is over here. So I've got my bikinis, I've got my NHS letter, my passport, my hard drive, which I need for work, my skincare stuff, deodorant and perfume, my bag, my mini brush, a few things in here that I'm taking as well. I've got my underwear in there, my pin curl clips, my my computer and a towel. Then I've got the 2 tops, I've got my shoes, 2 pairs of shorts, my slips, my skirt, my kimono, and my shirt. So I think that's not too bad considering it's fitting in what is not a very big bag, as you can see, but it definitely fits in there. When I pack, I always roll my clothing because it takes up less space than if you fold. It just like allows the clothing to fit into like every nook and cranny and makes everything the same shape so that it's easy for you to assemble it. You can see I've rolled everything up into like a tube shape and shoved all my underwear together down here. But when I put my toiletries in, I will push all of my underwear around the sides to protect my laptop because my laptop is underneath my clothing and then my towel is on the bottom. Put my flats here. I'll put my Charlie Stone shoes in the corner here. The soles are disgusting, so obviously I put them this way around so they don't make my clothing all dirty. And I am just going to have enough space to put some toiletries. I'll pipe them very minimally. And I need to put my NHS vaccine certificate, my passport, and my phone and my wallet in here. So I will just have enough room. Okay, so now I've put my face care. So we've got like my moisturizer and serums and stuff in there, my deodorant, my perfume, a mini version of my brush. She's tiny. And my wallet, NHS certificate here, passport, wallet, and my phone. And she will zip up. I'm going very light with makeup because it is so hot. I'm going to melt anyway, and I'm going to be going to the beach practically every day. Most of the hikes end up at a beach, so I'm not really concerned about much makeup. So I'm literally just going to take probably concealer, some red lippy, a lip liner in the same color, red, some mascara, and that's probably it, to be honest. Yeah, because there is really no point. I like even powder and stuff like that. I'm going to be wearing sun cream. It's just going to mess up my powder and my foundation, and I have oily skin, so if I put sun cream and powder and foundation on and then I sweat a lot, it's going to look disgusting anyway. I'm better off just having bare skin. So that's my plan for makeup. So guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, do let me know down in the comments. I can always do more travel capsule wardrobes or even like capsule wardrobes for seasons and stuff like that. Just let me know. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you thought of the video and any suggestions for future videos. Come and follow me on my Instagram. Check out my Patreon. It is linked down below. We have extra content every month. Standard content for you guys, which tends to focus on vintage tips and tricks. So how to shop for true vintage and find your own bargains online as well. And then in the music tier, there's also a music video every month, as well as a Discord chat group and a little community and stickers and the curated vintage finds that I do every week, which is like bargain links that I share for you guys to shop vintage bargains that I've found around the internet, stuff like that. So do check that out. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.